Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
professional grade video cameras.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, Technical Advisor for Canon USA, and I want to introduce you to two new professional camcorders, the XA15 and XA11. The high-quality 4K UHD XF405 and XF400 professional camcorders are now joined by the cost-effective Full HD XA15 and XA11 professional camcorders, and this will help to meet a wide range of needs from low-end to advanced amateur. The XA15's and XA11's imaging system, including a high-performance HD lens, advanced HD CMOS Pro sensor, and Digic DV4 image processor, makes it a tremendous choice for a wide range of applications, from on-the-go E&G productions to movie and television productions, broadcast schools, and more. Custom button dial, to name a few. Now, not only do the XA15 and XA11, both models also include a USB connection, an HDMI 2.0 port, mic terminal, a dedicated headphone terminal, and remote terminal. And as I mentioned earlier, the XA15 features an HD SD-SDI terminal. Even more, terminals are optimally positioned to the left and right of the grip area, allowing for handheld shooting while cables are attached. It's extremely useful in fields that demand mobility, such as media and reporting. Our two built-in XLR audio input terminals with phantom power, a code accessory chute, an external microphone holder, manual audio level control, a zoom control, a record start-stop button, an infrared light, and a tally lamp. As you can see, the XA15 and the XA11, these camcorders facilitate speedy, outstanding HD quality video capture that can be ideal for E&G, movie and television productions, broadcast schools, and so much more.
You're looking to upgrade to one of Canon's Cinema EOS line of cameras, and you're debating between the Cinema EOS C70 and the EOS R5C cameras. Well, I'm here to share with you some of the features and benefits of both cameras and a few differences between the two. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Mason Higa with Canon USA, and this is the Cinema EOS C70 camera, and this is the EOS R5C camera. Both are incredibly powerful, lightweight cameras and use much of the same technology and color science. Both cameras utilize the same RF lens mount that provides the ability to use RF lenses or EF and EFS lenses with one of our adapters. The C70 is a dedicated cinema camera focused specifically on video capture. It was designed with the idea of combining the Cinema EOS series with the EOS R series. It offers outstanding image quality and professional video features in a compact and mobile form factor, perfect for documentary, news gathering, corporate, and wedding videos. The R5C is a true hybrid camera, boasting many of the video formats and features from the Cinema EOS lineup, as well as many of the still imaging capabilities that are based on the EOS R series of cameras, specific that the C70 has a vertical mount quarter to easily record vertical video. Both cameras have a rotatable LCD screen, plus for comfort, but also assignable buttons. A BPA30 battery provided, BPA60 minutes with the included LPE6NH battery. And to double the battery performance, the R5C can use plug the camera into the wall, or use a USB-C. These were just a few of the features of both Cinema EOS cameras, and I hope that this information helps you to compare the EOS C70 and the EOS R5C. For Canon USA, I'm Mason Higa. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.
Slow motion video has become a standard for filmmakers and video enthusiasts. Its rich cinematic and emotional quality adds an immersive and dramatic element to your storytelling. Capturing high-quality slow motion video is easy across Sony's lineup of compact, Alpha series, and cinema cameras. The speed of your video footage is determined by the relationship between the capture frame rate and the playback frame rate. A typical capture frame rate is 24 frames per second, or FPS, and played back on a 24 FPS timeline, this appears as normal speed. As you increase your capture frame rate, assuming the eventual playback rate remains the same, your video will play back slower. This is because more frames were used to capture each moment of real time, but you're still only watching 24 frames played back per second, making the footage appear slower. A capture rate of 60 FPS creates 2.5 times slow motion on a 24 FPS timeline. A capture rate of 120 FPS allows for 5 times slow motion on a 24 FPS timeline, and so on. Across Sony's range of cameras, you can set your frame rate manually in the video menu. Rate of 60 FPS, select a shutter speed of 1/120th of a second, and so on. If you want, then in post-production, you can slow down the footage by frame rate. Sony All Slow Motion is called either HS and Q. X100 Mark VII is an 8. This lets you capture ultra-high frame rates up to the rate at which it's played back, and Sony's Alpha and Cine range and Q, which stands for slow and quick. Here, on the newer Alpha and FX series cameras, you can capture 4K video, or even down as low as 1 FPS for 120 times. On modern Sony cameras, you can choose whichever high frame rate workflow suits your needs. Either way, you'll end up